We had a lovely time coming to the stand yesterday to set all of our products up, and it was all perfectly finished, really good. We work in little packages, little quadrants, and it's to have 3 or 4 different feels in terms of the visual presentation, so that different products show how good they are in different ways. So, something like Dunlopillo, it's a natural story, so we needed to have natural views and timbers and where the latex comes from, whereas others tend to be a little bit more country home, just to give a hint of that sort of presentation. It's lovely, and it creates a nice atmosphere in which we can then sell the real point of the exercise, sell our beds. My managing director is very happy, so that's number 1 tick. And the customers, as I've said earlier, they've all come along and said, really like the stand, really does well. But a lot of the things that we have in the stand, the lighting, in this big exhibition hall, it's so critical. And that, we ticked all the boxes there, that does that really well. Generally, the detailing with the floor, all of those things makes a big difference. I think the Dunlopillo section, because it's very simple, works really well because it tells a simple story. The other side, where on the front of the stand, we have the different views with the window and so forth. They just look quite different. Nobody else has anything like that, and it fits in with what we want, the image that we want to try and portray. And clearly, with the stand, where we've worked with the idea that the stand is used from 1 or 2, 3 years perhaps, we have to work within the constraints of the design of the stand, but we can upgrade it with the imagery that we present on the stand. So Lucy was able to work with the team and come up with new images to populate the stand with. Brilliant. It refreshes it, looks new. We've had many customers say how good the stand looks. So that's very good. We're all very cost conscious these days. We haven't got unlimited budgets, so we have a very tight budget. We have to work within it. So we make the changes that we have to, and happily it's all worked out really well. So very happy.